Your smartphone is your trusted companion, isn't it? But sometimes it may feel slower, unresponsive, or just less efficient. Don't worry, today we are sharing 7 simple tips to keep your smartphone performing at its best. Tip 1. Clear cache regularly. Cached files can clutter your phone over time. Clear them regularly to free up space and enhance performance. Tip 2. Uninstall unnecessary apps. Too many apps can overload your phone's memory. Uninstall those you rarely use and enjoy a lighter, faster device. Tip 3. Update software. Software updates aren't just about new features. They optimize your phone's performance and fix bugs. Keep your phone up to date. Tip 4. Manage storage space. Keep an eye on your storage and remove junk or duplicate files. A clean memory means a happy smartphone. Tip 5. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears temporary files and refresh system's performance. A quick reboot can work wonders. Tip 6. Use battery saver mode. Smartphones perform best with a healthy battery. Use battery save mode to extend use and optimize background processes. Tip 7. Avoid overloading RAM. Running too many apps at once can overwhelm your phone's RAM. Close unused apps to keep things running smoothly. Follow these 7 tips and your smartphone will always be as efficient as the day you got it. Remember, a little care goes a long way. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.